I was just being stupid.
They all say it's on purpose.
Oh my god! This is the biggest trout I ever caught in my life.
The biggest trout I've ever seen in my life. That's a fat fucking trout, man.
Got one. Oh, it's even bigger. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh shit, you got wrapped up. Oh shit, did not go down the current.
Pick it up.
Here, grab my pole. Grab my pole.
That one's not bigger, but
good size again. All right, get a picture.
I don't have my phone. It's over there.
Get it?
Yeah.
Watch, he's gonna go. Fucking tree out.
Oh, you're crossing? You want to see something awesome? Look at this. Landed! No! Fuck.
Lost a good one.
It was bigger than both of yours. So I wasn't recording, because obviously when I record I lose fish, but I actually got one. Believe it or not, I can fish. Dominic, making fun of me, screw you. My rod so much. Here, shut that camera off. We're gonna catch a fish. Actually? Yeah, actually shut it off. Hold on. I'll record if one of us get one. You know, like record, hey, we got this one.
Oh!
No fucking way.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
He jumped over it. Maybe keep it going.
Dude, no, do you know how big that fucking thing was?
Yeah. There we fucking go. Yes, daddy, yes. That's here. That's at the creek.
That's coyotes.
I know. Those are mean. We might want to go. That's where we need to go.
That's where we need to go. Get out of here.
Okay, I'm actually reeling up. Dude, those guys will fucking attack people. They'll drag off little kids and shit.
Yeah, I know.
It's time to go.
You have a knife?
I have my fucking Leatherman.
It's not no damn knife.
Just shut up. I'm gonna find this shit in.
They're like at the lake.
No, they're like right in there.
Let's flip the camera around. How do you flip the shit around?
There's a little